Have you ever wondered how some people seem to be luckier than others? It's a question that has danced on the edges of human consciousness for centuries. But what if I told you that luck isn't some random, elusive element, but a cosmic force that we can align ourselves with? Imagine the universe as a grand ballroom, where the galaxies are the dancers, stars their twinkling accessories, and luck the enchanting rhythm they move to. This cosmic dance is not exclusive, but open to anyone daring enough to step onto the dance floor, to trust in the unknown and take a leap into the vast expanse of cosmic opportunities. Luck, in this grand dance, rewards those who dare, those who trust, and those who remain open to the myriad of possibilities that the cosmos has to offer. The key to attracting this elusive dancer, called luck, is not just about summoning the courage to step forward, but also about being receptive to every opportunity, no matter how unexpected it may seem. And what about the role of positivity and optimism in this cosmic dance? Well, they serve as powerful magnets, attracting the flow of luck towards us. They transform the challenges we encounter into stepping stones, into opportunities that shine like constellations in the night sky, guiding us on our journey. Positivity and optimism light up our path, showing us that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, that every stumble is a chance to rise stronger. They teach us to find hope in the toughest of times, and that embracing this hope attracts fortune. Just like a daisy growing through a crack in the pavement, or a rainbow appearing after a storm, optimism and positivity prove that even in the darkest times, beauty and luck can blossom. They demonstrate that a positive outlook on life's potential can transform our defeats into stepping stones, leading us towards the treasure we seek. Embracing hope during tough times attracts fortune, showing that a positive outlook on life's potential can turn defeats into stepping stones. So are you ready to join the cosmic dance of luck? A smile is more than just a simple act of positivity. It's a bridge, a connection, a beacon of hope. It's a silent nod to the universe, a testament to our resilience, a celebration of our potential. It's the embodiment of optimism and the first step towards prosperity. A positive attitude is like a spark in the darkness, igniting opportunities and illuminating paths. It's an unwavering belief in our capabilities and a commitment to transform challenges into stepping stones. It's a magnet for luck, attracting blessings and fortune like a sunflower turning towards the sun. Positivity is a choice, a conscious decision to focus on the light amidst the shadows. It's about seeing the silver lining in every cloud, finding the lesson in every setback, and recognizing the opportunity in every difficulty. It's about embracing hope during the toughest of times, knowing that every ending is a new beginning. But positivity alone is not enough. It needs to be coupled with a thirst for knowledge, a passion for learning, and a desire to grow. It's about continuously enhancing our skills, learning from our experiences, and embracing the wisdom of mentors. Mentors are like lighthouses, guiding us through the stormy seas of life. They provide us with invaluable insights, share their experiences, and help us navigate our journey. They transform our efforts into achievements, helping us unlock our potential and reach our goals. Learning is a never-ending journey, a constant pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. It's about pushing our boundaries, stepping out of our comfort zones, and exploring new territories. It's about growing, evolving, and becoming the best version of ourselves. This journey of continuous learning and skill enhancement, guided by mentors, enriches us with wisdom. It helps us understand the world around us, make informed decisions, and create a network of opportunities. It's the secret ingredient that transforms effort into achievement, dreams into reality, and individuals into luck magnets. This journey enriches us with wisdom, creating a network ripe for growth and luck. It's a testament to the power of positivity, the magic of learning, and the beauty of growth. It's a reminder that we are the architects of our destiny, the creators of our luck, and the masters of our journey. Imagination is a powerful tool in manifesting our desires. It can be a beacon, guiding us through the vast cosmos toward the realization of our dreams. Just as the painter visualizes a masterpiece before the first stroke of the brush, We must envision our future to attract the resources and opportunities necessary for our success. Consider the role of vision boards in this process. These tangible reminders of our dreams serve as a compass, directing our actions and decisions towards our desired outcomes. Each image, each word, each color on our vision board is a symbol of the future we are creating. They are not mere representations but powerful attractors, pulling the universe towards our aspirations. But envisioning alone isn't enough. We need action, effort, and most importantly, collaboration. Just as a single star cannot create a galaxy, we cannot realize our dreams in isolation. Our individual efforts can only take us so far. Collaboration, on the other hand, can multiply our capabilities, creating a synergy that exceeds our individual potentials. Imagine the magic of working together, of sharing ideas, of combining talents and resources. It's like a cosmic dance where each dancer brings their unique rhythm, creating a performance that is far more captivating than any solo act. Collaboration can turn individual efforts into collective triumphs, blending unique talents and strengths to achieve shared goals. In this dance, we discover new ideas and resources. We learn from each other, and we grow together. We achieve what we couldn't alone. We unlock treasures that were previously beyond our reach. Collaboration doesn't just make our journey easier, it makes it richer, more fulfilling, and far more exciting. By uniting creativity and teamwork, we journey not alone but with a powerful collective, unlocking the treasures of our dreams and bringing them into reality. Our vision boards become not just personal maps, but shared blueprints for a future we create together. Remember, the journey to becoming the luckiest human alive is not a solo venture. It's a collective odyssey guided by our visions and fueled by collaboration. So dream, envision, collaborate, and watch as the universe aligns with your desires, bringing your dreams to life. Emotional healing and forgiveness allow us to move beyond past grievances. This statement holds a profound truth, a key to unlocking the treasure chest of our potential. Healing is a journey of transformation, a metamorphosis. Like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly, it is a process that requires patience, love, and acceptance. As we heal, we shed the layers of pain, regret, and resentment that have held us back, creating space for new growth. Healing enables us to step forward with a clear mind and an open heart, ready to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Forgiveness, too, plays a pivotal role in our journey. It is not about forgetting or condoning the wrongs done to us, but rather about choosing to release the burdens of anger and bitterness. Forgiveness is a gift we give to ourselves, a declaration of self-love and self-empowerment. It is a bridge that leads us from the past into the future, allowing us to move forward without being tied down by past grievances. When we choose to heal and forgive, we take deliberate actions towards building our fortune. Interacting intentionally with the universe transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Indeed, this is the essence of fortune alchemy, a transformative process that takes us from being mere spectators to active participants in the cosmic dance of luck. Let's revisit the key elements that make up this alchemical process. First, we have the power of positivity. By choosing to see the silver lining in every cloud, we magnetize ourselves to luck, turning challenges into opportunities and defeats into stepping stones. A simple smile can work wonders, creating a ripple effect of positivity that attracts prosperity. Next, we have continuous learning and skill enhancement, guided by mentors. This journey enriches us with wisdom, turning efforts into achievements, and creating a fertile ground for growth and luck. Remember, knowledge is power, and this power can be the key to unlocking the door to fortune. Then there's the power of imagination. By envisioning our future, we manifest our desires into reality. Vision boards can serve as tangible reminders of our dreams, attracting the resources needed for their realization. Dream big, for the universe is limitless. Collaboration is another crucial element. By working together, we amplify our capabilities and create a synergy that exceeds individual efforts. This collaborative magic translates solo ventures into collective victories, fostering innovation and success. And let's not forget the importance of emotional healing and forgiveness. By releasing past grievances, we open up new paths of opportunity and blessing. This healing process is crucial for unlocking our potential and consciously pursuing our desired path. In essence, fortune alchemy is about intention, action, and belief. It's about embracing positivity, learning, and collaboration. It's about forging your own key to a fortunate life through deliberate effort and dreams. Until we meet again, may destiny's winds guide you to your most cherished dreams, with the journey to becoming the luckiest human alive guided by your own hands. Remember, luck is not a mere chance but a choice, a conscious decision to interact intentionally with the universe and transform the ordinary into the extraordinary.